Okay, so on the back of your paper here, so we've been talking about the angles of a triangle adding up to 180. So that's what's going to happen. These add up to 180. We're going to put 2x squared minus 14x plus 3x squared minus 13x plus 3x squared minus 25x equals 180. So first thing we'll do is combine like terms. We have 2x. Okay, we've got 2x, 3x, and 3x. 2x squared, 3x squared, and 3x squared. So that's 2, 5, 8x squared. Okay, we're going to put this, this, and this together. And then negative 14, negative 13, and negative 25. All of those together equal negative 52. So negative 52x equals 180. So this is a quadratic, so what I got to do is move the 180 over. So I'm going to have 8x squared minus 52x minus 180 equals 0. Now I'm going to graph that. Okay. So 8x squared minus 52x minus 180. So I want to check the zeros. Menu 6, 1. So negative 2.5 is one of them. And then menu 6, 1. 9 is the other one. All right, so those are the two possibilities. So what I want to do is take those two and plug them in and see which one makes sense. And the one I'm going to plug it in is this one because this is the one that makes it the most clear. All right, so I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to plug in 9 here. So I'm going to go 3 times 9 squared minus 13 times 9, which gives me 126. And just looking at that, 126, I don't know, seems reasonable. Let's see what negative 2.5 does. So I'm plugging in negative 2.5 here. So I'm going to go 3 times negative 2.5 squared minus 13 times negative 2.5. That gives 51.25. There's no way that angle is 51 degrees. So 9 is the one that makes the numbers make sense. So that angle right there is 126 degrees. I'm going to take that 9, plug it in these other places. So 2 times 9 squared minus 14 times 9, 36 degrees. And then plugging it in here, 3 times 9 squared minus 25 times 9, 18 degrees. And I'm just going to check real quick. I'm going to add these up and see if they get me to 180. 126 plus 36 plus 8. Uh-oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, 18, sorry. That should be 18, not 8. And yep, that gets me to my 180. Okay. Now over here on your assignment, this is like we've been doing. The remote interior angles add up to equal this the exterior angle. So this plus this equals this. So 3x squared minus 12x plus 5x squared minus 31x equals this 168 degree angle. So we're going to combine like terms. 3x squared and 5x squared is going to make 8x squared. Negative 12x, negative 31x, that's going to be negative 43x equals 168. So this is a quadratic. I'm not going to be able to just straight away solve for x, so I need to move the 168 to set this up to find zeros. So minus 168 equals 0. And so I'm going to graph that, look for the zeros, see where it crosses the x-axis, then plug those in and see which one gives me reasonable measurements for these angles over here.